very delighted to be in front of you again. We are into our 6th chapter, Biology of Movement. When you go for a morning walk, you can see many people are engaged in different activities. If the activities are more resort to exercise, they are more beneficial to health. Aren't they? Yes. Do you exercise regularly? Let us see in detail the importance of exercise. When we do exercise, the exchange of respiratory gases increases. Thereby, the vital capacity of the respiratory system increases. The stored fat is broken down and thereby the obesity can be reduced. When we do exercise, we sweat more. So more waste is eliminated through sweat. When you do exercise, it increases blood circulation. Thereby, our cardiac muscles becomes very strong and more capillaries will be formed in the muscles. Thereby, it increases the efficiency of muscles. There are many other advantages too when you do exercise. It increases your physical strength. When you are engaged in recreational activities, sports, games, etc., it reduces your stress as well as strain. It makes you more active and it helps you to work energetically. It increases your beauty. All these are different advantages of doing exercise. Have you realized the importance of exercise? Yes. We all know that body movements are possible with the help of muscles. Can you list out some movements that takes place in our body? Okay, movement of hands, movement of legs, movement of tongue, heartbeat. All these are different type of movements in our body. Do all the type of movements occur according to our will? No. So basically, the movements can be classified into two. Those movements which takes place according to our will are known as voluntary movements. Those movements which takes place according to our will are known as voluntary movements. For example, I can move my fingers. This takes place according to my will. So it is a voluntary movement. The second type of movement is those movements which does not take place according to our will. They are called involuntary movements. Those movements which does not take place according to our will are known as involuntary movements. For example, the heartbeat. Is it taking place according to our will? No. So it's an example for involuntary movement. Now we will classify the movements what we have said earlier into involuntary movements and voluntary movements. Movement of leg. It's voluntary movement. Movement of tongue. It is voluntary movement. Heartbeat. Involuntary movement. Movement of stomach. Involuntary movement. Movement of hands. Voluntary movement. Blinking of eyes. Involuntary movement. Movement of intestine. Involuntary movements. Hope you understood the examples of different type of movements. The diversity in movement is also evident in the muscles too. Voluntary movements are controlled by voluntary muscles. Involuntary movements are controlled by involuntary muscles. Hope you understood the role of muscles in voluntary movements as well as involuntary movements.